Hello my dear children, hope you all are already aware of Windows 10 desktop which we had already done in last year lab session. Also you can revise the same from the previous video which I had sent. In last class we have discussed Windows 10 and its few features. So today we'll continue with more details of Windows 10. Live Tiles. Windows 10 displays the most popular universal apps in the form of resizable live tiles in the right pane of the Start menu. These tiles display latest updates and information such as news, weather report, incoming mails, etc. without opening the app. You can rearrange, resize and move these tiles according to your requirement. You can resize the tiles according to your choice. Tiles are generally available in 4 different sizes: small, medium, wide and large. Turn off live tiles. Windows 10 allows you to disable a live tile so that it stops giving live updates and changes into a static icon. To do so, follow the given steps. Click on the Start button and then right click on a tile and then select the More option and choose Turn Live Tile Off option from the submenu. So using these steps you can turn live tiles off. Next topic is Universal Apps of Windows 10. Universal Apps is an integral part of the Windows 10 store. As the name suggests, these are apps that work on all device sizes from phones to high-powered desktop PCs. Windows 10 provides us with a bundle of built-in apps like Photos, Maps, Mail, Alarms and Clock and Calendar, etc. You can find and use these apps from the option in the Start menu. Some of the most useful apps are Photos, Weather, Mail. First is Photos. The Photos app collects and organizes all your photos and videos from your PC and the other devices at one place. Next is Weather. This app provides you with reliable forecast, weather conditions, real-time rain alerts and the minimum or maximum temperature of your favorite locations at a glance. Third is Mail. This app allows you to manage all your mail accounts at one place. It notifies you about the incoming mails, allows you to read a mail and respond back to a sender. To use this app, you need to sign in with your account. Windows 10 is quite flexible and provides option to change the setting of the desktop according to your choice. To customize the desktop, right-click on the blank area of the desktop and select the Personalize option. Next topic is displaying multiple windows at a time. In Windows 10, we can display multiple application windows side by side. Let us see how it works. So my dear children, first open MS Word 2016 and then open PowerPoint 2016. Now right click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar. Click on the Show Windows Side by Side option from the shortcut menu. Both the application windows will be displayed side by side. It is better to open only 2 windows simultaneously in order to work in them. Next topic is exploring pictures. In Pictures folder, we can store digital photos, images and graphic files. So, hope you have understood the part we have covered today. Please go through the video and also go through the chapter 2 in book. Thank you, my dear children, for watching this video. Take care. Stay healthy.